Morning, my dear students. Myself Gurmantar Papkar, and I am the staff member of Drizzling International Public School. So today we will do chapter number 8, our festivals from EVS book. So let's start. Chapter number 8 are festivals. India is called the land of festivals. Land of festivals. We celebrate these festivals with our family, friends, and relatives. Festivals are the occasions of fun and joy. We wear new clothes, greet one another, and eat special food. We exchange sweets and gifts with our friends and relatives. We celebrate 3 types of festival in India. How many types? 3 types of festivals. These are national festivals, religious festivals, and harvest festivals. We have 3 types festival here. So firstly we will discuss national festivals. Festivals celebrated by all Indians are called national festivals. We have 3 national festivals. Firstly we discuss Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, India became free from the British rule. We celebrate this day as our Independence Day. Our Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort, Delhi. We hoist it in schools, colleges, office, and our neighborhood. We also sing the national anthem. Do you know what is our national anthem? Jan Gan Man is our national anthem. Next is Republic Day. India became a republic on 26th January 1950. When? 26th January 1950. Every year, a huge and colorful parade is organized at Rajpath to celebrate it. You know where is Rajpath? In New Delhi. Okay? So next is Gandhi Jayanti. 2nd October is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. We celebrate it as Gandhi Jayanti. We call him father of nation. What we call Mahatma Gandhi? Father of the nation. So students, in national festivals, we have 3 festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. And next we do religious festivals. People follow different religions all over the country. The festivals they celebrate are called religious festivals. First is Dussehra. Lord Rama killed Ravan on Dussehra. Okay. We also call it Vijayadashmi, which means the victory of good over evil. बुराई पर सच्चाई की जीत, जहाँ अच्छाई की जीत, विजयदशमी. We burn the effigies of Ravan, Meghnad, and Kumbhakarna on Dussehra. In this year, we celebrated Dussehra on 25th October. Okay, beta. So now we read next festival, Durga Puja. Durga Puja is celebrated in West Bengal around the same time as Dussehra. Okay? People wear new clothes and pray to Goddess Durga for 5 days. How many days? for 5 days. Then they immerse her idols in the river. Okay? Immerse means put into water. And next festival is Diwali. Diwali is the festival of light. On this day, people decorate their houses with candles and diyas. They wear new clothes and exchange sweets. On this day, Lord Rama had returned to Ayodhya after living in a forest for 14 years. Okay, you can call it exile. And next festival is Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. Lord Jesus Christ was born on this day. On Christmas, people go to the church to pray and sing Christmas carols. They also decorate Christmas tree with gifts, stars, lights and bells. Children wait for Santa Claus because he gives gifts to them. Okay, when we celebrate Christmas on 25th December every year. Next is Gurpurab. On Gurpurab, Sikhs remember one of their 10 Gurus. For example, we celebrate Guru Nanak's birthday as Guru Nanak Jayanti. On Gurpurab, Gurdwaras are decorated with flowers and lights. Verses from Holy Shri Guru Granth Sahib are recited. You know, Shri Guru Granth Sahib is holy book of the Sikhs. People eat langar from a common kitchen. Langar is a free meal served in Gurdwaras. Okay. Next is Eid ul Fitr. Ramzan is the holy month in which Muslims take up fast. Okay. Eid ul Fitr is celebrated after Ramzan. On this day, Muslims embrace and wish each other Eid Mubarak. They offer namaz in mosques and eat a sweet dish called sevia. Okay, what they eat? Sevia. And where they go for namaz? Mosques. And what they wish each other? Eid Mubarak. Understand? So now Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. It marks the end of winter and beginning of summer. People gather around a huge bonfire on the Holi Eve. Okay. The next day, pupils splash colored water on one another and apply gulal on the faces of all people. So, this is the festival of Holi. Holi is festival of colors. And on Holi, sweets like gujia are made at home and enjoyed by all. What people eat on Holi? Gujia. And next is harvest festivals. Third type festivals are harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are celebrated when crops are ready to be harvested. We call them by different names in different parts of the country. Understand? In Punjab, firstly, Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of the Sikhs. It is also the beginning of the Sikh New Year. People of Punjab celebrate Baisakhi with a lot of devotion. They bath in a holy river, sing traditional songs and do the dance like Bhangra and Gidda. Okay, Bhangra and Gidda are folk dance of Punjab. So on Baisakhi they do Bhangra and Gidda. And next is Bihu. Bihu is celebrated in Assam. People make and eat special dishes called pitha, sweet made of rice flour. Okay. Larus, sweet made of rice and coconut, and jolpan, snacks. Okay, jolpan is snacks. Women wear colorful clothes like saris and sing folk songs and dance. Okay, Bihu celebrated in Assam. Next festival is Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. People thank sun god, rain and farm animals that have helped in preparing the harvest. Okay, they decorate their houses with kolam, rangoli made of rice powder. Okay, they cook rice with gur, jaggery. Gur, you may know, shakkar gud. Okay, in English you can say jaggery, and milk, and offer it to sun god. So this is also festival of harvest, Pongal. And next is Onam. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Where we celebrate Onam? In Kerala. It is the rice harvest festival. It lasts for 10 days. Okay, how many days they celebrate this festival? 10 days. People decorate elephants, organize snake boat race. Okay, you can see in the picture. Play games and pray to King Mahabali. They wear new clothes and make rangoli of flowers. So these all are the festival of harvest: Baisakhi, Bihu, Pongal and Onam. So students, this is your today's homework. You people will read chapter number 8, our festivals. Okay, learn types of festivals and read these festivals in detail. Thank you students. Have a good day.